have this Aurora, and on this side I have a super moon, and it's somewhere here. Oh, there it is. And I think when I go home now I will put some, because I have like a mother tree that gives me pine cones, and I will put some of her pine cones to charge under the super moon and under the Aurora. So like to get both energies from the Aurora and from the super moon. It's gonna be so cool. It's so cool. Like I feel the energy, even though, and it's like -5, so it's cold and frosty, and we're gonna get frost, super moon energy and Aurora energy. It is so strong. It's like right here. Oh. I can't believe it. So nice. Wow. Wow, I can't stop looking at it. Okay, I'll stop recording a video and actually start looking at the Aurora. Whoa, fine. It's not very bright. I mean, it is super bright if I see it with all that light pollution, but it's not very like in focus. I can't really focus it a lot. Hello. It is, what is it, 22nd of November, and I am here. We have a little Christmas market that we're arranging and I'm helping. We are waiting snow tonight, but there's no snow yet. But it's such a cool old place that we have our Christmas market at, and I really like the vibe and everything of this place. I'll show you around a little bit, maybe. there is a water stream here usually. I don't know if you recognize it, but this is the little river that goes, and this is the bridge. And I have shown it before in other videos, but today it is just epic. And yeah, it's so quiet that you hear the highway, which is, I mean, it's not very near, but it's not very far. But yeah, the forest makes it all so quiet that we hear everything else. Anyway, I don't know if I want to go below that tree. Wow, there's already holes on my bridge. Okay, I'm go. What? Oh, okay. I actually fell. Fuck. I I hurt. I didn't break anything, but there's a very big hole, and yeah, I'm gonna probably have like a blue mark on my leg where I didn't break it, but where I hurt it. I really wanted to go in the forest, but the snow, or I don't know, the wood have rotted away, and the planks that were before the bridge are now not a bridge. And that's very unfortunate, because I really wanted to go in, and because this is my bridge, and because it hurt me. Yeah. I think it's kind of like a sign that I shouldn't go in the forest. But here's a forest for you. And yeah. It's not my day today. I'm going back to my house, drink my coffee. Yeah.